Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you lock your Facebook profile. So let's start the video. First go to your Facebook and now click on your profile icon on top right here. Now swipe down. You can see settings and privacy option. Click here. Now click this settings option. Now all you have to do is scroll down. You can see the option profile lock here. Click here. Now all you have to do is click lock your profile on the bottom of your screen. Click here. Now as you can see your profile is locked and just click OK. Now only your friends can see your profile and others cannot, and your Facebook profile have been locked. So if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. See you on next video.